Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be doing the rest of the nails to go with this Minnie Mouse nail, what we did in the previous video. I've also got a few more little bits to do on the Minnie Mouse as well. As you can see, the eyes, the bow, the top. Yeah, we need to finish that one off as well. So, we're going to be using all Varnail products again today. I have a inspo idea in mind. I'll put a picture on the screen now of the inspo idea, what I'm going with. I haven't got that exact foil what she's used, so I'm going to have to work around that. And I think I've got the right idea in mind, but I won't know until I try it. So, wish me luck with that. So I think I'm going to start off firstly by giving all 4 tips a coat of Varnail's Rubber Pink, colour 014. I'll just show you me painting a couple of these guys because, yeah, you don't need to see me painting all 4 nails. The video is just going to end up getting too long and it's going to get boring. So I'll just show you me doing a couple and then we'll go on to the next step. I will be giving them 2 coats as well, just to make sure they are fully opaque. These Varnail gels are really nice to use as well. They are 5-free, cruelty free and vegan friendly. So they're really good quality gels. As you can see, I've still not replaced my gloves from the previous video either. I just don't see the point because these stiletto nails are wrecking all my gloves, so I'm not going to put a new pair of gloves on and wreck them as well. So please bear with the ugly gloves. Right guys, that is where we got to so far. Now I'm going to be using transfer foil, so I need to wipe off that tacky layer to that gel polish. I'm just using some isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad, like that. So, first nail, here we go. I pulled out this Sparkle Supplies Pearl Oyster transfer foil. So for those of you that are looking at the screen right now thinking this girl is bonkers, just roll with it, yeah? Roll with it and trust the process, she says. Even though she's not even tried this yet. Perfect. Perfect! So, let's get some foil glue. So, I've pulled out my Makartt foil glue gel. And I'm going to apply that to the whole of this nail. Make sure you get right up those side walls. If it means you've taken a little bit extra time, then do so. Like that. Pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Right, now we're going to apply this transfer foil straight on that nail. Like that. Give it a good old rubby-dub-dub. Now I'm not worried about this foil being too perfect because I'm going to be going over most of it anyway. It's more just as a little bit of a background colour. Oh my life. Can you believe that, guys? Look at that transfer. What is the chances of that? When I need a full transfer. Can I get a full transfer? No, can I heck? Now look, now I don't need one. Look at that. I've even got X's coming off the edges. Look at that. I cannot believe that. That has actually got to be the most perfectest transfer from transfer foil I've ever had. Look at that. That is ridiculous. Even the sides, look at the sides even. Oh my days, I can't get over it. I actually can't get over it. Let me just try and get this little bit of excess off here. That's mad. Now I've pulled out my palette, what I've got from Varnail. On my palette I want to pop a little bit of rubber pink. I think I'm also going to add a little bit of this as well. Sunny Afternoon 001. Wait until you see this colour, guys. I think I'm just going to apply a little bit of this because I can, and it's just absolutely beautiful colour this is. So I'm quickly going to apply a little bit of the Varnail base coat on this tip. Should have done this first really because that's all starting to merge together. That's just going to give this marble a little bit of a slip layer. It's going to help it marble together. Like that. And then I'm just going to scoop a bit of this up and just float it down the nail over that base coat. Like that. Now, got a bit of kitchen roll, and I'm just going to dab the side like that. And that is just going to pull any of that excess off and stop it wrinkling in the lamp. Like that. And then I'm just going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Right guys, so that is where we've got to so far. Now, this ring fingernail is going to be the same as the thumbnail, and these two nails are going to be the same as well. So these two, I'm going to do the foil on the bottom half, and then I'm going to ombre the nude gel polish over it. I'll do the ring finger off camera because it's going to be the exact same as the thumb, and I'll just show you me doing one of these as well, and then I'll do the other one off camera. There's no point me showing you me doing it twice, is there? This time I'm only going to take it like up to about there. Hasn't got to be super neat. Like that. Then pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. Now, are we going to get a perfect transfer like that other one? That was crazy. I could not believe that. Actually, I'm going to say the magic words again. This does not need to be a perfect transfer because we're going to be covering most of it anyway. I think they might be the magic words going forward, guys, to get a full transfer. Because every time I want a full transfer on a nail, I never get it. Oh my days, yes it is. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Again, full transfer. Crazy. Now we're going to do that marble over the top again. So, pull my palette out. Right guys, now we're going to ombre this nude colour called Almond Butter over the top of the marble. Like that. And I think I'm going to try and do it with my brush first. Sort of getting my dibber dobber out. So I'm just basically sweeping my brush from side to side using a nice dry brush. That nude colour is actually blending over the marble really nicely. I think because the colours are so similar. So once I'm happy with that blend, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm now using that black stamping gel and a super fine detailer brush, and I'm just doing the black pupils for the eyes, and then I shall give that a cure for 60 seconds. Right, so that's where we've got to so far, guys. I didn't realise that the camera had stopped recording. That's really made me mad. So all I've missed is doing the polka dots in the background of that nail. I've painted a top with Sunny Afternoon, and I've done a marble on the bow. I think that's it. I've gone over them with a really thick top coat, and I've given them all a buff just to try and smooth them out a little bit because they was really bumpy. So now they're ready for some matte top coat. Now I haven't got the Varnail matte top coat, so I'm going to be using the Madame Glam's Velvet matte top coat. And again, I'm going to give these a nice generous layer. So that is what they look like so far. Now we're just going to pop some crystals on a couple of them. I'm just going to apply a little bit of gem glue in this corner here. And then I'm going to be using some pink opal crystals and some clear crystals, and I'm going to do a little side cuticle cuff. And then I'm just going to add some little caviar beads. So these are 0.8mm gold caviar beads from Varnail. And pop that in the lamp to cure. And then on this nail, I'm going to use the same crystals, and I'm going to do a kind of, looks a little bit like a necklace kind of design. And then I'm going to do a little Mickey head in the middle. And that is them all finished, guys. What do you think? I like them. I really like them. So what do you think to this nail hack then, guys, where you're tracing the image? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think it's a good hack? Is anyone up for trying it? If anyone is having a go at trying it, let me know in the comments what you're planning on having a go at, and come back and let me know how it went as well. I'd love to know how you got on. For me, I just think it is so easy. You can't really go wrong. So yeah, that's everything, guys. All the products that I used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. I have got a discount code for Varnail, 25% off, so I shall leave that pinned in my comments along with the link to the website. If any of you are looking for some good quality gels right now, then Varnail is the place to be. They're Big 5 free, they're cruelty free, they're vegan friendly, they're highly pigmented, they're super affordable, and not to forget to mention, they are going to look well smart on your shelf. And if there's any of you that are looking for decent gel paints to do nail art with, I suggest you try the Varnail stamping gels. They are super pigmented and the consistency is beautiful for nail art. I really enjoy using them. Like I said, I've pinned the website in my comments if you want to go over and have a look. So that's everything, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.